So this is POCO C3, a budget smartphone from Xiaomi. It is not a brand new unboxing, just to give you guys idea what you will get inside if you purchase this phone. So I apologize for that. So on top you'll see the phone itself, then a 1-year warranty card and some paperwork. It comes with 10-watt power brick and a USB Type A to micro USB cable. So this is pretty much what you'll get inside the box. So no phone case, no screen protector or no earphones. So that was quick unboxing. Now let's get to the phone. So this is the phone. So it is pretty solid and heavy phone. This I have here is in Arctic blue color. It is also available in other colors, so you can choose whichever color you like. In my previous review on Infinix Hot 9 Play, I told you not to buy this phone, but instead you could buy this one. So if you slightly increase the price, you'll get double the RAM, 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM instead of only 2GB, and double the internal storage, 64GB instead of 32GB, and a much faster chipset, MediaTek Helio G35, and an additional camera lens. It has 6.5-inch 720p LCD display covered with glass, and back is covered with plastic and has light textured back. The screen is bright, so you can use it outdoors without any problem. On the bottom it has loudspeaker, a micro USB port that supports 10-watt charging, and a microphone. It has a power button and a volume rocker on the side, while on the other side it has a dual SIM card slot with dedicated micro SD card slot. On top it has earpiece speaker and a headphone jack. So in this phone you'll find 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for all day life with typical use. So now let's talk about the cameras. It has triple camera setup on the back. Now it is not just pretending to have 3 cameras like Infinix Hot 9 Play. It has 3 cameras in real. A 13 megapixel primary sensor, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. In the front there is 5 megapixel selfie camera in the notch. So these cameras also supports portrait mode. So here are some photos taken from this phone. So they are pretty good for this price range. It captures detail, but it lacks dynamic range, and bright areas are overexposed. But other than that, camera quality is nice. So the thing that I like the most about this phone is the software. The software is based on MIUI 12 on top of Android 10. First thing first, the software is ad-free. It has tons of customizability options like themes, icons, home screen or lock screen, and even boot animation. Like you can download and install iOS theme and pretend like it's iPhone. Or you can install Android One UI theme and pretend like it's Samsung. So there are endless possibilities. You can make your phone exactly how you like. The performance of this phone is great for the price. It has Hyper Engine 1.0 to enhance your gaming performance. So you can play any game without any lag. So it is not the smoothest experience, but it's great. So this is all about POCO C3. Its battery life is great, its performance is great, and it has great software experience. So I have no problem on recommending this phone if you wanna buy this. So that was my review on POCO C3. So if you like this video, subscribing to the channel would be great. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.